Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be presenting the Capstone 2 stress and anxiety management application for spring 2024. Our team members were Alexander Motovilov, Lynn Quintana, Ian Rodriguez, Tega Idokun, and myself, Rafael Ojeda, with the product owner being Leanne Sangolo and our professor, Dr. Masood Sajadi. So How Are You Life tends to is solving the problem with the increasing prevalence of stress and anxiety amongst the population worldwide, impacting daily functioning. There is a noticeable lack of accessible tools that effectively assist individuals in managing the mental health challenges in our daily lives. Using our For previous iterations, we had an Android app. And now we were tasked with creating the same Android app and adding some additional functionalities for a web application to be able to expand um, the market share and not just have Android users, but any phone user, any person that can be connected to the internet. And with that, we used, uh, of course, Git to collaborate in our project, Discord to chat and communicate, and Figma for the front end design. And of course, Agile and communicated with our PO with having sprint dynamics of 2 weeks and meeting with the product owner once a week, and our team would meet daily as well. So some of the application use cases were users can assess their current emotional state and receive personalized suggestions for stress and anxiety management. The way that you would receive personalized suggestions is there is a feature in the Android app as well as the web app to have a daily check-in, and you would basically communicate with the application how you feel that day, what is stressing you out, what is giving you anxiety, if any, and you would document that. And like it says here, the application is designed to be accessible via desktop and mobile applications, ensuring usability across various devices. So some of the application's requirements were expressed to be able to communicate with the server. We made our own RESTful API node for the backend, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with React and Firebase and Firestore for the database and the login, uh, the user storage. So here we have the diagrams of how the database communicates with the user, the front end, the back end, and the whole application itself. Here we have how the login works with all our services here and how it would work with the forget password. We also have Google sign in and so on. This is a very detailed structure of how our project was designed, as well as how to start the server, sorry. These are, we have the account navbar, which is just the navbar class. We also have the auth service, which is our custom RESTful API for all the API endpoints like create user register, add a feeling check-in, and so on. This is the front end of the feeling check-in application. And in the future, we would like to expand on implementing machine learning, personalized recommendations, introduce complex algorithms, and so on. We would also like to have multilingual support. And And in summary, the expansion to How Are You Life to include the web app expands the ability for it to be viewed by all devices and users who may not have an Android application. Thank you very much for listening.